DiTEC TEAK CLEAN is a one-step cleaner and brightener that is waterway safe. Start by wrapping any finished metal surface that is near the teak you intend to clean. Before working with or applying our solution, be sure to wear a pair of chemical-resistant nitrile gloves. Make certain your teak surface is free of debris and is completely dry for the proper chemical reaction to occur. Teak Clean can be applied by hand or with a spray bottle. First, pour the undiluted solution into a bucket and use a medium-density polypropylene cleaning pad to dab onto the teak. As another option, you may fill a handheld pump sprayer and spray the solution onto the surface. If the solution comes in contact with any finished metal, wipe off with soapy water immediately. Once Teak Clean has been applied to the teak, allow 2 to 5 minutes for the product to dwell on the surface. If the surface still appears wet, begin scrubbing. If the surface appears dry at the end of dwell time, lightly dampen the surface with additional Teak Clean before you begin scrubbing. Using the medium-density handheld pad or a long pull doodle pad, scrub the teak with the wood grain and not against it. A motorized scrubber may be used for larger areas. It is important to work in the same direction of the grain in order to achieve optimal results. Be certain to rinse off your scrubbing pad or brush regularly throughout the process until there is no longer any dirt or wood fibers embedded in the pad. Once you are no longer rinsing dirt or wood fibers out of the pad, you have cleaned the deck properly. Finally, thoroughly rinse off your pad, your teak, and all areas surrounding your cleaned deck. It is very important you completely rinse any drain areas, pockets, or puddles that remain. The thorough rinsing away of all Teak Clean is very important. Teak Clean is non-hazardous and safe to rinse into the waterways, making cleanup easy.